Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will explore the top 5 features of Deepseek R1 AI that make it such an amazing tool. Whether you are just getting started with Deepseek or want to learn its full potential, stay tuned, this will be exciting. Let's start with the first feature, easy integration. Deepseek R1 AI is designed to blend seamlessly into your existing systems or even work perfectly when starting fresh. The best part, you don't need to be a tech expert to set it up. It's hassle free. The second feature is its advanced data analysis capabilities. DeepSeek can analyze massive data sets and provide actionable insights quickly. This makes it a perfect choice for businesses looking for fast and accurate decision making tools. The third feature is real-time processing. DeepSeek R1 AI deliver result instantly, which is a huge advantage in time-sensitive situation where quick response are crucial. The fourth feature, customizable AI models. Now on to the fourth feature, customized AI model. You can tailor DeepSeek to meet the specific demand for your industry, whether it's healthcare, finance, marketing, or any other field. It's flexible and adapt to your needs. The fifth feature, user-friendly interface. Finally, let's talk about the fifth feature. The user-friendly interface DeepSeek R1 AI is easy to use even if you are not a tech-savvy person. Its clean design ensures that anyone can navigate it with ease. And that wraps up the top 5 features of DeepSeek R1 AI. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more AI related content. Thanks for watching and I will catch you in the next one.